FDA team visits Mapusa District Hospital over food poisoning cases. A team from the Food and Drugs Administration visited the district hospital in Mapusa today to assess the situation regarding recent food poisoning cases. The team interacted with the group in charge of the patients and consulted with doctors to understand the treatment protocols and current status of the affected individuals.
What is the main cause of whatever it is, food poisoning or whatever is happening? We want to go to the root of that so that such incidents doesn't occur in future. That is the main cause. So I would request you totally to cooperate with the authorities and put me in writing that what exactly happened.
After the visit, the FDA team briefed the media, assuring the public that investigations are ongoing and necessary steps are being taken to prevent further incidents.
He has categorically said that it is not something like food poisoning. They are saying that they are having some exertion, and as per their records, 10 people who developed some symptoms of some vomiting or some uneasiness, and that is why they have come here, and that has been recorded. We have also spoken to the doctor here, the medical officer who was there in casualty. The medical officer has said that they have complained of these symptoms of indigestion and vomiting, but nevertheless there was no vomiting observed here, and they didn't pass any stools also while they were here under observation. So as a matter of abundant precaution, the doctors had written that they get their stools tested and they get a blood checkup done. The blood samples have been drawn. But the stool testing is not done, and what we've just got to know that all the students by their own wish have left the hospital and they've gone back. So that is the status as of now. We will be writing officially to DHS to get official statement from their end, and if at all if some stool testing is done, then only we will be able to establish whether it was really a food poisoning, because only after the stools are examined we will know whether there is some bacteria that has caused this, and that will also help us to do a root cause. But this is what it is at this stage. We have taken precautions. We have also checked the hotels, so there is nothing to worry. We will have to wait and see what the DHS has to tell us if the students come back and they do the stool testing. So this is an update.
Authorities urged people to exercise caution with food hygiene and adhere to safety standards to avoid such cases.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.